What if there was a way to end the ongoing conflict between Israel and Hamas? Would a ceasefire bring about peace, or would it simply be the calm before another storm? These are questions that have been pondered endlessly as the world watches the ongoing turmoil in the Middle East. Picture the scene. After months of intense negotiations, a 6-week ceasefire is agreed upon. The hostages are released, families reunited, and there is a lull in the fighting. The ceasefire also extends to the northern front, allowing Israeli residents who were evacuated from the border area to return to their homes. It's a moment of respite, a chance for the United States to work on a political agreement that might see a revitalized Palestinian Authority take over the administration of the Gaza Strip. A multinational Arab force could be deployed to secure the area, and there may even be a move towards a two-state solution. This could provide a cover for Saudi Arabia to resume diplomatic normalization with Israel, furthering U.S. President Joe Biden's broader strategic objective of establishing a pro-Western regional alliance. But what if the ceasefire fails? What if the war continues? Imagine now a different scenario where the conflict persists. The ceasefire becomes a distant memory, replaced by the harsh reality of ongoing violence. The war continues until Israel can claim victory, but at what cost? The leadership of Hamas is eliminated, its chain of command broken. Thousands of Hamas fighters rejoin Palestinian society, but the post-conflict chaos sees some form criminal gangs, while others join radical Salafist groups. The Middle East becomes more unstable, increasingly vulnerable to Iranian radicalism. This is a scenario that echoes the tumultuous aftermath of the U.S. victory in Iraq. These are two contrasting outcomes, each with its own set of challenges and implications. In summary, a ceasefire could provide a window of opportunity for political negotiations, potentially paving the way for a two-state solution and a more stable Middle East. On the other hand, the continuation of the war could lead to the destabilization of the region, with the potential emergence of new radical groups. It's a complex situation with no easy solutions. The world watches, waits, and hopes for a resolution that brings about lasting peace. But as we've explored, the outcomes of both a ceasefire and the continuation of the war are far from certain.